Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, BINOY'S channel. I'm Kuya Binoy and this is...
Chloe!
Chloe. Okay, today we're gonna unbox the Smartcook Air Fryer that we got from Technopop. This one. Ito. Yan, unbox na natin.
No!
Cut muna, cut. So, ito na, unbox na natin. Oops, there, you got the
I don't know what that
user
is.
manual.
User manual. Let me see. Okay, I'll show it to the audience first.
Okay.
You're welcome.
And then you put it on the table.
Wait, I wanna...
Put it on the table. Come on.
Oh, no! I wanna show them what's inside! Kulit naman video natin.
Oo. Hindi naman nila mababasa yan. Anyway, get the styrofoam
I'm
out.
just joking around, guys.
And then, inside you get the... The air fryer. Oops, let's put this box aside. There.
And let's put the
Ayan.
plastic aside.
Ganun. Ayan. So,
I
ito.
mean, let's
So, ito na siya. Now, you have to remove, syempre, yung masking tape. You remove the masking tape.
Have to remove the... Oh, okay, let me
But
do it.
slowly, ha? Slowly.
Let me do it. This will take a while, guys. Sorry.
Ito na.
No, I got it. I got it.
Okay. And then the other one.
Where? Where? Wait, where will I put this?
Put it there on the desk. Ayan.
That was fast.
So, ito na siya. Andito lang niya. Tapos sanggaan niya. Yan. Tapos, ito yung drawer. Here. Maliit lang yung loob ko. Diba? So, we're just gonna wash this and then, tatry natin. Magluluto si Chloe ng chicken nuggets. Now, we're gonna try to cook chicken nuggets. Okay, guys. See you later!
Bye.
Hi guys, dito na tayo ulit after natin mahugasan na itong bucket. So, hinugasan ko na siya. So, this one is removable. Yan. So, lagay mo na siya dito para yung mga oil na excess magdi-drip siya. Yan. Ayan. O, Chloe yun, nalagay ko na. Ikaw na maglagay ng chicken nuggets sa loob. O, cut is open.
Here?
Oo, cut is open. So, sabi dito sa manual, ang chicken nuggets daw,
Oh, I can already
chicken
smell
nuggets, 8 to 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So, ayan, subukan
This
natin.
is all good. I can do it. This is all good.
Pour it in lang, everything. Pour everything in.
How about... Oh.
Oops, the sauce. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na. So, straight from the freezer. So, this is the Pure Foods Crazy Cut Nuggets. Ayan, this one. So, nilagay lang namin siya dito inside. And then, we're gonna spray some oil kasi napanood ko sa mga reviews. Kapag, ano daw, walang oil, very dry daw. So, smell mo. So, we're gonna spray some oil, this one. The oil sprayer that I bought from Bayabi at 150 pesos. So, ito na. Spray lang natin.
It's already looking good. How about that one?
No. Don't touch it na. Magluluto pa siya. So, cover lang natin yung oil. Papasok. Make sure it's locked. Tapos sabi niya, put it at 200 degrees and then 10 minutes. So, ikot mo 10. Lagay mo sa number 10. Turn it at number 10. So, ayan, okay na. So, pagkaikot ni Chloe, umandar na siya. Ayan, nakikita ba yung ilaw? So, may light indicator siya, yung power, tsaka heat. Ayan, so nagluluto na siya. Mainit don't touch it So, naglagay lang ako dito ng silicone mat.
the chicken nuggets.
So, after ng, ilang minutes? Mga 10 minutes. Pwede na. So, guys, ito na. 5 minutes is up. Tapos, we can already smell the nuggets being cooked. Bango, no? Ayan, mabango siya. So, syempre,
I wanna try it out.
excited kaming dalawa. Are you excited?
Yeah. I wanna try it out already.
So, 5 minutes. So, 5 minutes more, babalik tayo ulit. Yun. Sinabi ko lang na yun. Mabango. Naamoy na siya. Okay, guys. So, I think, kailangan ko siya i-shake ng konti, no? Try nga natin. Kasi napanood ko to sa mga nagre-review, Pag pinull out, hihinto. Ayun, so humihinto siya. So, as you can see, halfway done. Ang ganda ng pagkakaluto niya. So, siguro i-flip over ko lang. Gamit tayo ng tongs. This one.
Are we going to try it already?
Hindi pa, ikutin natin para maluto.
Oh!
Diba? We're gonna...
Looks so good.
Pero kahit hindi yata i-turn parang naluluto naman siya, both sides. Yeah, I don't think na kailangan pa siya i-turn. So, balik ko na lang, parang okay naman. Yan. So, pagbalik ko, continue lang siya. Yun lang yung timer niya kasi medyo umusog. Kaya usog lang natin ulit ng another 2 minutes. Ayan.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It's using air to cook the nuggets. Bango, no? Bango. So, yun muna guys. Balik tayo mamaya after 5 minutes ulit. So guys, ito na. We got less than a minute. So, yung sauce nilagay ko na sa maliit na lalagyan. Yan na. Nag-power off na yung yung thermostat. So na-reach na yung maximum heat. Antayin na lang yung timer. Ayun!
Yes!
Yes! Finally, nag-ting na siya. Let's get it out. Teka, suko muna to.
Get that.
Ayun! Ang ganda ng pagkakaluto. Ang ganda guys. Look. Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Oh, ang ganda
Whoa. Oh wait,
Ang
there's
bango.
a star-shaped one.
Yeah. Lagay na natin. So, shoot na lang kaya natin. Pwede ba? Tamad ako
I don't know.
Ayun. Yun! Ang galing! So ito, nahugasan naman to. So, balik na muna natin. At ito na ang ating finished product! Tan 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 tan.
We're the McDonald's people.
Yan. So magta-taste test kami maya-mayang konti kasi mainit pa. Palamigin lang natin ng konti, no? Balikan namin kayo, guys. So ito na, guys. At try na natin siya tikman. Taste test. Oh, Chloe, Got one.
Am I ready to touch it? Yeah.
Manahin mo yung yan. Pwede na yan.
It's burning hot.
Burning hot. Careful, Burning hot o tama lang? Sarap?
Yeah, but I have to leave it there.
Pero masarap? Oh, guys, pasado sa kids. Diba? So ako nga tikman ko kung naluto nga.
Too hot.
Kahantang circle. Ito siya guys. Look.
I got
So yummy.
I got the square one.
Sarap nga.
Yeah, but you have to take a little bite.
Sarap pa. Sarap. Sarap siya. Tapos hindi rin siya ganun ka-greasy. Hindi rin nag-dry kasi nga in-sprayan natin ng little oil. So may mga iba kasi ayaw nila ng oil. Kaya nga daw nag-air fry para walang oil. Pero syempre, each to his own. So, kung ayaw niyo ng oil, di wag niyo lagyan ng oil. Pero, ako, masarap to so far, no? Sarap, no? Hindi mo mamimiss yung greasiness ng mantika. Pero, hindi rin siya greasy. Pero, sarap siya. Masarap. By the way, I use the coconut oil. It's Baguio oil, coconut oil. Tapos, nilagay ko dito sa sprayer. Commercial, no? Yeah. Sarap. Sarap.
Delicious.
Delicious. Tayo. Approve. Thumbs up. So if you happen to if you happen to bump into our video and you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
I was about to say that.
Okay, say it again.
The notification bell.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.